Hey, hi, hello, and welcome to another episode of Artist Glamorous channel. And in this video, we will be talking about BB creams, CC creams. That is so much my favorite, obviously, and they are for oily skin, combination skin. People can use them, which I'll be talking about the products, and they are really great. They did a lot of benefits on me because it hides all the spots. Because BB creams or CC creams are something that is not a skincare part. That is based on little of skincare, because BB CC sometimes contains SPF, which actually helps in it gives you the sun protection, but they are a makeup part, so I can say this is a makeup video. So I'll be talking about 3 products which are my favorite and I have used myself, and I don't review any product without using them myself. So the 3 products from here, one I have already talked in my channel in the Inveda haul. If you haven't seen, the link is given in the description box below, or you will get at the I button over here too. So I'll be talking about 2 of my favorite BB creams, and also we'll be talking about one of my favorite CC cream, because I love only one CC cream. I couldn't find any 2 because I have not used them, and I don't go on claims. I use myself, then I review. So I have used them, so I am reviewing this. So the first BB cream that I will be talking first, and this is one is the Pond's BB cream, which is available everywhere, Pond's White Beauty BB cream, and another is the Inveda BB cream 18-in-1 cream, which is not so available but available online a lot. You will get even discounts also. So these 2, one is inorganic, disclaimer first, inorganic, but I like it a lot. One is organic, I love it a lot. So both of this I'll be talking because they are quite similar, having similar consistency, but obviously sensitive skin people don't go with this, even if it shoots you, because it can make any allergy. And this one, acne prone, active acne, you should not go with something which is inorganic. This is organic, so I'll be going into detailed review on this video about both of this. These are my favorite. And CC cream, this is a CC cream which I love. Completed a lot into buy it again. This is from the brand Sea Soul, and this is a HD finish CC cream, complete coverage corrector, and this also comes with SPF, and this also comes with SPF, this also comes with SPF. So all of them works as a sunscreen too, so you don't have to, if you're going for a whole day party or whole day occasion in a marriage party or anywhere, then you can apply them and no need of your sunscreens. And this is the light shade, and this is a CC cream I really love, and I feel that for oily skin people this is great. This gives more high definition coverage, high coverage, and BB creams give low coverage, and I will be coming in a detailed difference between BB and CC cream on this video too. With reviewing all this, I will also come a difference on this. So without wasting your time, let's get started with this video. These are 3 products I will be talking in this video. So first I will come with BB creams, then I'll talk about CC cream. First I will talk about this BB cream. This is the one from Pond's, and this is the one from Inveda, and this I have talked earlier. If you haven't seen that video in Inveda all and review video, the link is given in the description box below. The link is given at the I button over there. So the Inveda is an organic brand, and as you can see, it has a classic packaging with some designs going on over here. This is the BB cream 18-in-1 cream with magnolia and almond, SPF 20 for all skin types, paraben free. Then it says essential. Then it says that essential Ayurveda blemish balm with broad spectrum of SPF, effectively covers, benefits wrinkles and fine lines, protects from UVA and UVB, hydrates and provides primer for makeup, non-greasy, and leaves skin silky, even toned and young and bright. To use, apply it directly or after application of moisturizers in dry skin type. This is a cruelty-free vegan product, and recyclable packaging is 150 rupees for 4 ml of. This is the 15 ml, rupees 150, and this is the their matte variant, and it also comes in shiny as a variant, you can see over here. So this is the packaging with golden cap, which looks very nice, and this is the ingredient list. The base ingredient is aqua, so it is very good for oily combination skin type. Even sensitive skin can use this. So this is the packaging inside, so I will just show a little bit taking on my hand. So it, first of all, I have used this from a long time. In the video I said earlier, Inveda products, though I've talked about this in details, and This is the consistency. It looks like a foundation and the color is good. The shade you can't select. Actually they have two shades, one is for the brownish tone and one is for the medium and fairer skin tone. It gives a light coverage, like you can see, a whitish coverage, whitish, and it looks greasy, and within few seconds it will dry up. So waiting for a few seconds, and then I'll for that time I'll be talking with Pond's, which is also one of my favorite, but this is an not organic, this is an inorganic. And as you can see the colors over here, this was my lip crayon, which I took it in a travel, and it got spoiled. It is all-in-one cream, BB plus fairness cream, SPF 30 PA plus with Gen white cover formula, and it says Pond's Institute and ingredients, base ingredients is water, which says that means it can be used for any oily and acne-prone skin type, but it contains like you can see all this acetic, palmitic acid, cholesterol, and perfume, and glycol, orphanage, and yeah. Obviously this is marketed by Hindustan Unilever, and this price is rupees 140 for 18 grams. So this is 150 for 15 grams, this is 18 grams for 140. That means this is a little bit costlier compared to this. And here all the marketing details are given here. Use best before is also given in the cream. So okay, it has a 2 years of expiry, and I was not knowing to Inveda. Before that I started using my first BB cream in my lifetime is this Pond's, and that time I was not conscious about organic and inorganic, but now I am. So whenever I have active acne I go with this, whenever I don't have I go with this, but I prefer not to go with Pond's now. But if you are comfortable with inorganic brands, then you can definitely go with this, and it also gives the same kind of coverage. So this is the matte finish from Inveda. So I will show you. This actually is very beneficial to put in your face to apply for applying purpose. This is very beneficial because it has this kind of tube. As you can see, I have used a lot earlier, so in many videos also I have made with this. Actually this also doesn't comes with any shade choice, it has only one shade choice, and it is a little thicker in consistency compared to Inveda one, and it is a lighter tone compared to Inveda. The Inveda comes with a beige tone, and this comes with a yellowish undertone. So for me, I feel that this has a high cover compared to this. So as you can understand by little of the Pond's how much coverage it gives, so it is not less than CC cream. You can definitely understand there is a very difference between both of this. So for me, this is the one which can go with any occasions that you need a little coverage, and this for the medium coverage, like you can see, medium coverage. Now it has again matted out, so very good for oily skin people, as I have oily skin. Then for me this goes for high coverage, and this is Seasol CC cream HD finish complete coverage corrector that healthy, and also contains SPF 20 for all skin type. This is a light variant. This comes with 2 or 3 shade variants, as you can see here. This is the light one which goes perfectly with my face, with the skin. Here something is written that improves discoloration, corrects blemishes, minimizes oil production, lightens and brightens skin, provides clear coverage, hydrating and moisturizing, and I have used a lot, as you can understand. Says that HD Finish CC cream is a complete coverage color corrector cream. It helps to correct discoloration left behind by acne, scars, sun damage, and uneven skin tone. This unique formula contains Dead Sea minerals, Moroccan argan, and goji berries, known for hydration, antibacterial, antioxidant, and oil control, giving that perfect no makeup look without blocking the pores. Base ingredients in aqua and zinc oxide is written, and capric, triglycerides, cetyl alcohol, and so many things are written. So it doesn't contain any parabens in it. It is an organic brand, Seasol, and it contains organic products, so no parabens in it. That is also a great thing, and I've used a lot, and I love this cream. I've washed off my hand, and I will just show you the coverage. This is the light color, which is quite similar to the BB cream color. So this is the lightest color it has, but it is quite thicker consistency, and you have to blend it very nicely, very fast with quick hand, or else it settles down and gives a white cast. So you have to blend it very fast. That is the drawback of this cream. So I am trying my level best to blend it as fast as possible. So that is what I blended off. This is a Pond's after a few minutes, and this is the CC cream, so you can definitely understand it is high coverage. So wherever I go for any occasion, any marriage parties, then this is something which definitely works, or any festives, this definitely works. This is mild coverage, good for any occasions, and this is daily purpose. So these are the 3 my favorite, and mostly these are the creams that I always keep handy because of makeup purpose. I love makeup, so I definitely like them a lot. This smells amazing, that I do have to say. Compared to any other, this smells amazing, but the smell will not bother you within after a few minutes. So that was all. Hope you have liked it. If you like this product, okay, I forgot to say the price of this. This is has an expiry of 3 years, and it cost rupees. Okay, the pricing is given over here because I couldn't find out the packaging of this. I'm using this from last 1.5 years, so I couldn't found it. So all the details are given. If you like them, then you can buy with them. You can, if you want something for daily purpose, then BB cream is best. If you need makeup for daily purpose, if you're someone who uses makeup for daily purpose, in that case foundations are not always a good option, so this is a great. If you need high coverage, you have a lot of scars in your face, then this is great. And if you want for occasional use, you don't want to use foundations, this contains SPF, this contains SPF 30 PA++, this contains SPF 20, this contains SPF 20. So this is great for any occasions, daytime or nighttime, because it has huge high coverage. And that color, this light one will go for fairer skin to medium, quite medium skin tone. But after that medium to, they have medium one also which goes to medium to dark skin tone, and for darkest skin tone also they have the product. So if you can get them online, offline, then you can definitely put your hands on them. So that was all. If you liked it, then you can also grab them. Hope you have liked the video. If you did, then please hit on the like button. Your like encourages us to make new videos and bring valuable contents for you. Do share your opinion in the comment section below. Do share your opinion about this video or any other video contents you wanted us to make, and do share it with all your friends if you felt this was a little helpful. Do subscribe to our channel. We upload 5 videos in a week. We upload sometimes more, but at least 5 in a week, consisting a lot of varieties of videos, hauls, reviews, study tips and tricks, health tips and tricks, and food hauls, and many things. So we have a lot of fun in this channel. So if you're interested to see those, then to subscribe to our channel, to click the bell icon beside it, and also click the all notification button on the bell icon, or else you will miss videos from our channel. You will not get the notification on time. So do click on the bell icon, also click on the all notification in the bell icon, then you will get all the notification from our channel whenever we upload a new video. So that was all for today's video. Hope you have liked it. Stay blessed, stay happy, and bye.